Hi guys, so I was trying to upload the Zoom recording of the intermediate improvers class, the one that we use in Madera Negra, and then I realized that the recording was not there. So thing is, it was because I couldn't use my computer, so I was doing the class from my phone. I didn't hit the right button in the second class. So the first one it was recorded, the second it wasn't. So I'm so sorry, but I want to make it up for you as much as I can. So I'm not gonna repeat the class with no one there because it's like it doesn't make a lot of sense. But what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna give you the steps so you can work on them if you want for the next class on Thursday, so you don't miss anything. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. I hope this makes it up to you, even if it's not the same. Okay, so let's just explain. Very sorry about my jeans. I'm just like came directly from doing my running some errands and say like, okay, I'm gonna do the recording. So straight away we're gonna jump on the first one, and that it was just going around the space that you've got, okay, and right and left 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 and right. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this you can go around with the space that you've got. If you have a massive space, go for it. Otherwise, you can do it either like that in the same place, or just slightly moving around, just a tiny bit. If the space is very small, okay, and come back to your place, or just go for it if you have enough space. I'm getting out of the where the camera is recording, okay, but this really is up to you guys. So if we're doing it in the same place, we're going to be doing 8, okay, starting with the right, that 1, that 2, that 3, that 4, that 5, that 6, that 7, that 8. Okay, good. So 8 of those. The arms are just literally just going up. I don't want to get out of the focus. Yeah, here, the 5th position. And then remember, your elbows are a bit going backwards when you go pa 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 pa. Yeah, and 8. So take 4 to go up and take 4 to go down. Good. That's the first one. Then we come back to where we were, and the second one is going to be just this one. Da, 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 2, da, 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 3, da, 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 4, da, 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 5, da, 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 6, da, da, da. And it's important that we're ending up in this position with the left leg in the front, because there's going to be now a big change in the direction of the body. Okay, so just 6 of those. Once again, right and left and right, left and right and left, right and left and right. Da, 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 da. 5, da, da, da. 6, da, 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 da. Okay, good. Arms, we're not doing much for now. You can choose whichever arms you want to do. Just keep it here for now. So from one side to the other. Okay, pa 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 pa. You can choose to go up and down if you want as well. Okay, so pa pa da ga pa pa 2 da ga da ga 3 da ga da ga 4. Okay, or you can go pa ga da ga da ga da ga da ga da, whichever you prefer. Okay, we're gonna be doing 6 of those. Okay, so I'm gonna do these arms for now, and I'm gonna do 6 of those, starting with the right. So ta, ka, ta, 2, ka, 3, ka, 4, ka, 5, ka, 6, ka. So the next one, remember the most important part is to get this change of direction. So the last one from the previous one finished here. Now a complete change of direction, and I'm going to put my right leg pointing to the front, okay? Then pointing back, and then back, open, front. The same with the left. Front, back, back, open, front. Front, back, back, open, front. Front, back, back, open, front. Ti, da da da, tiki tika da, da da da, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da, ba da da da, da 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 da, ba ba. Same. Keep the same arms as in the one before. Da 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 da, ba da da da, da 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 da, ba da da da, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da. Good. So there's gonna be only 2 of those that is gonna be full, the full combination. Then we're gonna go for the remate. Just a tiny bit, a small remate, okay? Nothing very strong, but something a bit with your shoulders. So just gonna remind you the arms here, but use a tiny bit of your quiebro, bending to the side, okay? So front, back, and 1 and 2 and 3. See my arms? Pa, taka, ta, kita, kita, pa, taka. Okay, and now that's the third one, is when the remate is coming. Okay, so I'll do it in the front just for 1 second, and then I'll go back again. We're here, and now we're gonna go just in the place with the right, in the place with the left. Now you're gonna throw just a tiny kick, kick and back, back, and now pa, 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 pa. That's it. Just some steps going front, which is gonna be the taka, taka, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if you count the one that goes back, is 6 steps. I'll do it here. So we've done the last one, which is front and back, and now side and side. Kick. Back is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, no more than that. That's the remate. Okay, so I'm gonna take it just from the remate. Okay, so I'm here, pa pa, pa pa, and now side, shoulder up, side, left shoulder up, and now throw with a kick, pa, and now 1, you go back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's gonna be one more, which is gonna be only the arm, pa. And the arm is gonna be just doing this, ta. Just this, just the left arm, pa. Okay, so my arms, I'm just doing like this. It's a bit awkward, but just to get in the frame. So arms are just doing kick, back is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pa. In the 7, okay, because there's a tiny bit more music that we're gonna be doing this moment of remate with the arm. Okay, just once again, pa, taka, ta, pa, taka, ta, throw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, e, 6 and e. Okay, once again, taka, taka, pa, taka, e, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, e. Yeah, once again with the other 2 before. Da 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 da, 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da, 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da, e, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I. Yeah, good, Okay, so I hope this is okay for you to remember the choreography, the part of the choreography we did. I'm gonna do it with the music, okay? So I'm gonna take the music from moment prox minute 2 second 226, okay? And I'm gonna take it from there. So 226, and the guitar is doing so arpeggio, and then we start with a one, taka, 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 with the walking. That's that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, and you get an ole at the end. Good. Let's do it once again with the music. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's do it once again. Remember to just scroll to go back to the combination. Explain slowly. This is just to go as it goes with the music, and just be aware it goes quite fast. The remate, yeah? Taka, taka, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ay. Yeah, okay, so you need to be aware of that. There we go, once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1. Now the shoulders. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Alright, good. Okay, thank you guys. Remember to try to study this video so you can catch up with next class. We're gonna follow up with new material and then remembering everything so you got this whole piece of choreography, okay? Hope to see you all this Thursday. Apologies about this mistake, but I'm just trying to fix it, okay? And I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember last class, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye, love to you all, bye-bye.